What's up, YouTube? How you doing? Everybody, well, probably 3 people that are going to watch this. Yeah, I'm STLSPEED. Nice to meet you. I run an Instagram page that somehow took off. I don't understand it, but I appreciate everybody who watches, who likes, comments, everything like that. It's great. Gives me something to do. So this will be my attempt at YouTube. I didn't promise anything will be good. I'm not going to promise anything will be good. But I do want to try it and try my hand at it, see how it goes. I do have a 2016 Hellcat. It's a Charger. Here we go. Comments below. Oh my God, it's a boat. Well, we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna take it to a local, well, we're in my neck of the woods, a feed store, and I'm gonna weigh it. I'm actually gonna see how much it weighs, and then we're gonna do like a power to weight ratio and compare it to maybe a Mustang, those mythical unicorns. I'm sorry, I had to. Anyways, I am running a stock motor, stock transmission. Kind of a rundown of parts that I have right now on it. I am sponsored by Vertini Wheels. Great group of guys. I'm running RF 1.3s, 20 by 10s up front with a 20 by 11 in the rear. Helps out a lot. I mean, I still spin. I'm running 315 street tires on the back, so it's about the, I think, I don't know, it might be the size of a Corvette. I think Corvettes might be 335s, but it does really well. A lot better than the 275s. I mean, those might as well have been bicycle tires. Some of the parts that are on it that I unfortunately don't have any video of. I started this long before I really had the nerve to start YouTube. I do have a Livernois drive shaft. A lot of people have never heard of that. I mean, they've heard of the shop, but they haven't heard of Livernois drive shafts. They work out really well. No CV joints. It's all U joints. They're Sonics pieces with Spicer U joints. It's a solid unit. I really, really like it. Some helpful information here. If you go to buy one, go to CCI Drivelines. That's who makes them. I didn't know that at the time. I bought it from Livernois. I paid the markup price, which is fine. I'm not gonna send the drive shaft back, you know, when I find out who makes it. I mean, I'm not that way. I paid it and was very thankful for it because DSS and G-Force at the time were 2 and 3 months behind on filling orders, and I'm the type of person, if I want it, I want it now. Unfortunately, no patience. So I do have that. I do have a performance development diff brace. I didn't want to be the guy on the track disintegrating the differential after I started throwing power at it. You can look around on YouTube and watch people do it, and they laugh about it. Destroying pieces, I'm not a big fan of. But, I mean, hey, in the sake of views, I might do it a couple times. But, so I do have that, and I have Spone traction bars. Basically what they do is they replace a cast aluminum piece, trailing arms, on the rear end of the car. Dodge, in their infinite wisdom, I mean, we can all agree Dodge is Dodge. They use the same piece as they do on the SXT LX cars, the V6 models. So it's controlling a V6, and then they decide that, hey, we're going to throw this also on a 700 horsepower monstrosity, and Thanks. Throw sand all over me. Anyway, so it's the same piece as they use in the V6 cars, and on the Hellcats, Demons, I'm gonna throw out the red eye. When you go to do a burnout at the drag strip, say if you got drag radials or even street tires, and you do a little burnout, you'll get the body will rock up and down like a boat in the water. This alleviates that and helps. And whenever you launch, it sticks. It makes a big difference, because when you start wheel hopping, that's when shit starts breaking, and that ain't fun. So those are the pieces that I have on it right now: wheels and tires. I did have a cold air intake on it. I'm not going to mention names. It sounds great. It did. I took it off. Heat soaks bad. And when I say bad, I mean bad. I even took a heat gun to it to compare. And I probably could have cooked a chicken breast on the rain shield. My time slips at the track also confirmed my worst fears. It was sucking hot air, and it was bad. And I'm like I said, I'm not going to use names, but it came off and it got sold. I put the stock airbox back on it, and I actually started running the fastest times I have ever got out of this car at full weight with the driveline pieces and drag radials. The drag radials I'm running are NT05Rs. They're all right. They do decent. The first time I took them out, I didn't realize that you had to literally bake these tires off like John Force to get them to hook. They are not my everyday tire. They are not on here right now. They are on my 18x10 Bravados wheels. The NT05Rs, they do well if you want to drive it to the track and then run decent times. I've been getting my butt handed to me by a couple different cars that are running Mickeys that should have never outran mine. So I ordered Mickey Thompson ET Street R's yesterday, and we're going to put them on. And I'm going to do a comparison. I want to see how much faster I can get, because my problem isn't running down the track. I will back half a track on people all the time. But on the launch, I have to take it extremely easy. I may still have to take it easy. I don't know. But from what I've gathered, what I've seen, what I've witnessed firsthand, those Mickeys are the capital H in hook. And I'm going to give it a shot. So in a week, I think it's August 5th. This is, I don't even know what date is it. We're in July right now. August 5th, I got invited to a one of those road rally courses that they run the little Subarus on and everything. I'm going to see how I do. I've never done it before in one of these cars. I've actually never done it before in general. So, we'll see how it goes. Probably not good. As long as I don't hit a curb, I think I'll be alright. I might take out about 50 cones and drift it a little bit, but I'm there in all good fun, right? With everything I said earlier, as you can tell, I'm wearing a different t-shirt, so sorry about not having a continuity, but I had some stuff come up. What I wanted to say was thank you for watching my video. Promise it'll get better once I figure all this out. Thank you for your time, and see you on the next one.